Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPhone 14 is updated and ready. This matters because iOS updates include NFC improvements. Once done, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on for apps that use companion connections. Otherwise, scanning can fail even though NFC is enabled. Now get the NFC tag or contactless card in hand and unlock your phone. Tap the top edge near the camera toward the tag. You open Shortcuts or the specific app that handles NFC so the phone knows what to do when it reads a tag. Then hold the top of the iPhone 14 about 1 to 2 centimeters from the tag, steady and aligned, and wait for the chime and on-screen prompt. When you see the confirmation, follow the prompts to save data, run an automation, or complete payment. Make sure to tap through any permissions. Without them, the action won't persist or run later. You finish by testing the stored tag or automation to ensure it triggers as expected. Run the workflow once while watching for permission dialogues. If it doesn't work, restart your iPhone, double-check the app and Shortcuts permissions, and try again. This often clears transient issues. If problems persist, try a different tag or reprogram the tag. Weak or damaged tags or tags with depleted power are common culprits. Lastly, keep iOS updated so you have the latest NFC fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.